afternoon. Today's Saturday. About to do a Target run because we both need stuff for our home.
Hillside Avenue.
Yeah, I don't know what to say. The line to get into Target. Lords! Oh my god. We're really about to wait in this long ass line to go to Target, but you know what? We might as well.
It's not that long anymore.
Okay. Like, we're really standing on this line right now. I'm honestly getting so much anxiety being in here because it's so crowded. I'm trying to be as healthy as possible and get a lot of natural products. I'm so freaking tempted to buy an electric toothbrush because these look so cool. I want one. Why would you need a $150 toothbrush? The heck? Essential. Hi guys, let me move this out of the way. Okay, I am finally back home, guys. Back home from Target. I ran a few errands today. And I wanted to do a haul, a little quarantine grocery haul, Target haul. If you know me, you know my favorite place in the world is Target. I don't know why I'm like really tired. It could be because I spent all night till 5 a.m. watching Money Heist on Netflix. If you guys haven't watched that show, please watch it. It's a European Spanish show, but they do have like an English version if you want to watch it in English. But I do recommend to watch it in Spanish. It's just a lot better and you can watch it with subtitles. But it is the best show ever. So if you're bored and you have to start a new show, I really recommend Money Heist on Netflix. But yeah, I was up till 5 a.m. watching it and then I woke up at 10 a.m. so I only slept for about 5 hours, but I can never sleep past 10 anymore for some reason, even if I will fall asleep at 6. Anyways, let's just get into the haul. I have a huge pimple here, but try not to notice that. Yeah, anyways, let's just get into the haul. So I went a little ham at Target. Not really, I just bought like the necessary items I needed. So let me start with some home decor items. So I love plants. I love having plants in my room. By the way, right now I'm in my guest room. I'm not in my room. But I bought this cute little plant. This was only $5 and I'm going to keep this upstairs in my beauty room. Probably on my vanity or something. But it's so pretty. It's like a white vase. And I love the color of these flowers. Obviously they're fake. But I would rather buy fake plants to keep as home decor than real ones. Because I don't got time to take care of them, you know. But yeah, I love buying cute little green plants. To put all over my home, so I bought that. It was only $5. And I also bought a bath mat for my bathroom because the one I have in my bathroom is really dirty, so I just got this one. Kind of like not that nice because it's really bright, but since it is spring, summer, I was thinking of just brightening up my bathroom a bit, so I just got this bright blue one. It has like little squigglies on it, I guess signifying the ocean or something, but it's cute. My bathroom is all white, so I was thinking it would be like a nice pop of color. And this was only, I believe this was only $20. No. This was $9.99. Yeah, this was $9.99. Okay, and I also desperately needed this. So my man's actually bought me this because he knows that I love cleaning and I struggle with cleaning. So he got me a Swiffer. When I'm wiping my floor, I've been using Lysol wipes to just go on my knees and like I scrub the floor, but now my life's a lot easier because I got a Swiffer dry wet sweeping kit and it comes with 7 of the wipes and 3 of the dry. Yeah, it comes with 7 wet wipes and 3 dry wipes. I don't know how much it was. I think he said it was 7, but I don't believe him. But yeah, I desperately needed a Swiffer for sure. Okay, so recently I have been so into baths. I've been taking some staycations with my boyfriend lately and I've been taking baths every day, and I didn't really have a nice setting to take baths in my own home, but I'm trying to make that setting. So I did stop by a hardware store and I did get this oversized tub stopper so I can finally take baths in my own bathroom. We didn't have one of these for a while and I never knew where to get one. I kind of just dodged getting one, but I finally got one and now I can take baths. And from Target I got this huge Dr. Teal's foaming bath with pure Epsom salt, soothe and sleep with lavender. I believe this is a bubble bath. I'm not sure. I really hope it is. I googled bubble baths at Target and this is what came up, and it has lavender and it soothes you, so I'm really hoping this helps me sleep as well. If you could focus. Yeah, I'm just really excited. I'm gonna take a bath tonight actually. So I got that, and then a week ago, this is not from Target, this is from Walgreens, I also got this box of bath bombs. I just wanted to include that because I'm just so excited for this bath. This is Nature's Beauty bath bombs in champagne fizz. It's vanilla and coconut oil. I used a lot of it already at the hotel that I stayed at, but I have some left, which I will include in my bath today. I also got a loofah because I needed another one, and you should really replace your loofahs once a month. I don't know, I replace mine once a month, but I'm sure there's people out there that say you should replace it once a week. But I do wash my loofahs, so I'm pretty sure it's fine. Also got this Eco Tools bristle bath brush, and oh, come on, focus. It's just like a bath brush, and I definitely need one of these because I'm always like trying to scrub my back and I struggle. So I can't wait to exfoliate my whole body with this. I'm so excited. On the subject of bath stuff, I also just got a 2-pack of Dove soap. Yeah, there we go. I just got a 2-pack of Dove cucumber and green tea scent soap. I'm very excited about this too. It's my favorite soap in the world. I also just got baby oil, and this is mostly for my mom. I don't know why, but she really likes Johnson's baby oil. She puts it in her nose. And I also got this TSA compliant travel container kit. TSA compliant travel container kit, and I know that no one's traveling anytime soon, but I always struggle when I'm traveling. I don't know how much, you know, airplanes allow. I decided to get this. Okay, and now we're gonna get into groceries. So let me get started. Got this huge container of spinach, mizuna, chard, and kale because I really want to start eating a lot better than I do, and I want to start eating salads and just eating healthy. So I got this huge box of that. I also just got some fresh blueberries just because I love blueberries, because who doesn't? This is my mom's favorite juice. It's so good. You guys have to try this. This is the Ocean Spray cran apple juice. It's really, really delicious. It's a mixture of cranberry and apple juice, and it's just amazing. So my dad already opened this, but I also just got some Ritz crackers because I love eating crackers with what is this called? Baby Bell cheese things. I got the light ones because again, I'm trying to be healthy, and I got the low sodium crackers. So this is a really good snack to eat. I have a huge salt tooth, so I did get that. So just got a 2-pack of cream cheese. Guys, seriously, cream cheese is so hard to find these days. Everyone swipes all the cream cheese, so I'm amazed that I actually found one. Also just got a packet of plain bagels. I usually like eating these with avocados and eggs, but avocados were also sold out at Target, so I guess I'll just be eating this with my cream cheese that I bought. All right, I also got some organic petite baby cut carrots. I love carrots and ranch. For the carrots, I got ranch. This is honestly one of my favorite snacks as well. I also really like carrots dipped in mayonnaise. I know that's weird, but it honestly tastes really good. So if you haven't tried it, I would recommend trying carrots and mayonnaise. It's almost tastes the same, but it has a little bit of like a tart taste to it. All right, you should try it. And I just had to, my man actually bought these for me too because he knows I'm addicted to this. I got some Tostitos scoops and some chunky medium salsa. He keeps buying me these, and I swear this is the reason why I had gained 5 pounds in the past month. But I'm addicted to these and I have to stop, which is why I bought the carrots and ranch. But I will eat these in moderation. I also got asparagus. I also just got asparagus because I saw this really cool recipe online of salmon and asparagus, and I really wanted to try cooking that. I think I'm gonna film a what I eat in a day video, and I'm gonna include this in that, so I'm excited. Okay, my favorite salad is a mesclun salad with goat cheese and balsamic vinaigrette. So I got the Ken's Steakhouse Simply balsamic vinaigrette, and I got a tub of goat cheese because I think I'm gonna be making that salad all the time. And I already have nuts. My favorite salad is spinach, kale, goat cheese, some nuts, some raisins, some chicken if you want protein, and balsamic vinaigrette and goat cheese. It's like the best salad ever, and I'm probably gonna make this after I end this video. Wow, I thought I got more, but yeah, that's literally all I got, guys. I just really wanted to just try to stay as healthy as I possibly could. Yeah, because it's so hard not to eat a lot during quarantine when you're stuck at home and there's nothing to do but eat and experiment with foods. So I tried buying as much as natural organic items as I could so I could start cooking. I'm probably gonna vlog later, but right now I'm gonna go and try to take my bath because I am feeling a little under the weather. It's not corona because I don't have a fever, or at least I don't think it's corona. I always get allergies this time of the year and I'm just feeling really like freaking allergic, so I'm gonna go try to take a bath and calm myself down. By the way, don't mind my face. I didn't want to put any makeup on because I currently have a huge pimple here and I'm still kind of healing from my stitches. I don't know if you can see, but I really don't want to put any makeup on my face until I'm completely healed. Yeah, so this is my face for a while on my channel. So before I take my bath, I'm actually going to do some homework that's due tomorrow. I know I'm going to be way too tired to do it tomorrow, and I just want to have a drink in my bath and relax and unwind. So we're going to finish this assignment and submit it so I can relax. Guys, I'm so excited. I'm about to take my bath. LOL, I kind of got the wrong tub stopper, so my dad found some way to like tape it in and it actually worked. And yeah, I lit some candles and I'm about to put my bubble bath in. I'm very excited. Whoop, whoop. I'm about to put in the Dr. Teal's foaming bath. I got my speaker on deck, bath bomb doing its thing, made myself a nice little drink, and it's about to go down. Hi guys, so I just took my bath. So freaking relaxed right now, you have no idea. Let me go in this room actually. Hold on. Okay, perfect. Ooh, this lighting is horrible, but I'm just gonna end this vlog here. The purpose of this video was supposed to be a Target haul and I wanted to film it on my DSLR camera, but I ended up just doing a vlog style Target haul slash vlog slash self-care. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to like the video, subscribe to my channel, post some questions, or what's the word? Because I had like made myself a little vodka Sprite in the bathtub. What is it called? Oh yeah, comment some suggestions down below for any videos you want to see from me, and I'll be happy to oblige. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really just wanted to film another everyday vlog. Yeah, so I will see you guys in my next video.